Okay, guys, welcome to Midsummer 2018. You have enrolled in an online class, but for this class, you will also be required to go to the testing center to take two tests. So if you do not live in Tyler, then you will have to call the testing center and make arrangements for that tomorrow. Um, and for those of you that are fathers, happy Father's Day. Anyway, so to get started, you will log in. So I am on the TJC homepage. I will click my login and I'll go ahead and sign in. My page is going to look a little bit different from yours. I'm on vacation right now. My internet connection's not that great. So it's taking a little while for this page to load. Okay, so once you get to your home page, I think your button is a little different than mine. I'm an employee, so mine just says Canvas. Yours says my online classes. And once I get into my Canvas page, it's going to look a lot different from yours because I've got a lot more classes than you do. I need to do some archiving. Okay, so find your math class that says Midsummer. You'll click on it. And from here, I've put a lot of information in this course. You need to read it. This is the home page. I do have an announcement up here. You will click on modules. And then you need to start at the Start Here module and work your way through them, okay? Since this is a summer course and it's online, I'm not going to be on campus. So if you need to talk to me, we can make an appointment online. And we use something called Collaborate Ultra. You can see it's right here, this button. Or you can send me an email and we can try to work it out that way. So anyway, you'll click through those. I'm going to click back on modules. Your math course is in a program called ALEKS. So you can click this ALEKS instructions right here. Actually, those instructions won't be there. So your next step will be to click Load ALEKS in a new window. Okay, and so this is the book that we'll be using. Here's the publisher, and then you'll notice there's a button below the book, and the button says ALEKS. You need to click that button to get into ALEKS. So this is going to take me into the ALEKS program, and this is where I'm going to find all of my assignments. My homepage looks a little different than yours because you are going to have to go through the tutorial. So you will get through your tutorial, and then I'm going to go ahead and click right here and student view so you can see what your view will look like. Okay. So once you're here and you get into ALEKS, you're going to do the tutorial, and then from the tutorial, you're going to take what we call an initial knowledge check. And on this initial knowledge check, you need to do your best. Use your calculator, of course, use paper and pencil, but do not use any other resources when you do your initial knowledge check. Because what happens is if you get help with that initial knowledge check, it's just going to make you come back later on and do it again once you take some of the little progress quizzes. So you need to go ahead and spend the time. Okay, this course is a normal 16-week course, but if you noticed, you're taking the course in 5 weeks. You still have the same amount of material to cover in the 5 weeks. Therefore, your weekly time is set at 14 hours a week. And that's all in your page in these modules right here. You'll find all of this information in your modules. Yes. Okay, so when you go to the Start Here, you can click on the Policies and Procedures. And then open that document, and you will be able to read through some things that you need to know, the grading scale, some due dates, your time, how much time you have to put in each week, how the course is broken up. Here's the breakdown for each percentage, what they're worth. So if you guys have any questions, you can email me. My email is on this first page, shauna.mccown@tjc.edu. And good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.